Traxxas XRT unboxing. What do we got here, Vincent? Oh, let's lie it down, okay?
Huh?
Let's lie it down like this.
You almost had me get a box.
Why are you talking like a baby? Start over. Don't more like a
You almost made me have a butt cut.
Traxxas XRT 8S 60 plus with included pinion, it says. Standard Traxxas remote. Yep.
Yep.
Good. Okay.
There's white in there. There's stuff.
Standard TQI.
Here comes the car. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. This thing's huge. Standard wheels. Get this stuff off so you can see better. And there it is.
Got the green edition, yeah?
Yep.
You like it? So
Yeah.
there's these little clips somewhere in here. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Okay, now pull the body off.
Okay. So, very much like an X-Max, it has this little button right here.
Is that the on-off button?
Yep.
Yep.
Same thing as the X-Max.
It's got dual fans, bigger heat
Dad,
sink.
go get the X-Max.
Not right now. Okay.
Okay. So this car comes with street tires. Basically like the dirt tires with the X-Max, but street tires.
Mm-hmm.
And for some reason, my dad just told me that we can use the paddle tires on this one from the X-Max.
Yep. Here's the package. Comes with optional pinion and spur
Brakes.
for speed runs.
And
I'll be right back and we'll put the tires on this thing.
yep. You filming?
Yeah.